to our second webisode.
Wow! It's our second already?
Yep. Thanks to our awesome whānau out there for watching.
Does that mean we're famous?
Of course, we're world famous in Ōrākei.
Let's check out today's kaupapa.
What is your whānau flag?
Hold up. Haven't we already done that?
I am Marika. We're bringing to you part 2.
But why? We're not in level 4 anymore.
Kia matara whānau, you still got some mahi to do.
And we have an awesome wahine joining us to help us stay safe.
Stay home and save lives. Let's do this. Is this on? Mom, I don't think this is working. Mom, there you all are. Finally, you made it in time to have a kōrero of me on Mom's couch. You'll never guess who we have in the whare. I am so excited to welcome to Whānau Kōrero on Mom's couch. They are amazing, beautiful. Don't get yourself in trouble with the Prime Minister. Fire just in the oven. Wow, thank you. Thank you so much, Fire, for making the time. We know how busy you are these days. First things first, Kei te pēa here, koe. How are you?
Ready to go, and of course continuing to work on all the logistics required to support New Zealand.
Now we're in level 3. Can I go up north?
We still need people to stay in their bubbles.
Can we open up the game store then?
I don't intend to change that.
What about Kmart Bunnings Warehouse?
We still need people to work and learn from home.
How long will we stay in lockdown?
Just keep in mind, we hope it's 2. It may be longer if we don't succeed.
Okay. Mom says that Papa Tūniki can finally breathe with us all having to stay home. What do you think?
Climate change is the biggest challenge of our time.
Well, Fire, it's been a privilege to have a kōrero of you on Mom's couch. Any final kōrero to share with the whānau?
Now I'm asking all New Zealanders, this plan will only work if you help us. Then we can do this, if we do it together.
Well, on behalf of our Ngāti Whatua whānau, thank you for your hard mahi. You are one awesome wahine toa. Don't forget to visit us at the marae. We would love to share hangi with you. Ka kite.
While you're at the bus, we still got some mahi to do to keep our whānau safe during lockdown.
It's probably a good idea to get straight into it then.
Yeah, or Fire Jacinda has to put us all in lockdown for longer. So, Dr. Tavita, what do we need? We need a whānau plan.
Well, what is left to do?
The most important question of all,
what is your plan if a whānau member gets sick?
We already practiced this, remember? That's right, when Mum was in Australia.
Mum didn't have COVID-19, but Fire Jacinda says she had to self-isolate for 14 days, just in case.
So, what did we do as a whānau to help Mum?
1. Call Helpline.
If you or your whānau are unwell, call Helpline for free health information. 24 hours, 7 days a week.
2. Choose a room to isolate.
It is best to keep your distance from other whānau members in the whare and limit movement.
3. Absolutely no sharing.
Avoid sharing things like dishes, cups, towels and lemon, and always wash thoroughly after every use.
4. Clean regularly.
Wipe down all shared surfaces after every use, especially the kitchen and bathroom.
5. Whānau support.
Remember to stay home, so ask your whānau members to help with your meals and getting supplies. And do you have a complete whānau isolation plan?
Here's a cool poster to help finish your whānau isolation plan. So give it a go.
Well, that's for us today, Whānau.
We hope you enjoyed Te Kaupapa.
Whānau Kōrero on Mum's couch.
Mahi